Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to enable your Windows 11 updates. If you're already disable it, then how to re-enable it. So this is in this video tutorial I will share a method of to re-enable or turn on Windows 11 updates. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your services, open a services, right click, run as administrator, find out a Windows updates. Now here is a Windows update, so open a Windows update, and you can select the automatic and click on apply. Go to your recovery section and select it a restart the services. Go to your general section, click on start option, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, close it. After that, go to your type a edit group policy, open a edit group policy. After doing this set, select the administrative templates and expand it. After doing this set, select the Windows components and expand it. Scroll down and find out a Windows update. Now select a Windows update. Go to your manage and user experience. After doing this set, select a configure automatic updates, open it, click on enable it, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, go back, close the group policy editor and close it. Now after doing this step, check your Windows update. Now you can see that a Windows update is working. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.